Bar Chicketty experience back in Singapore. Enjoy watching! Hi guys, this is Lynn Kenny again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to experience the Italian vibe. Of course, guys, that's Bar Chicketty. They call it in English Chicketty. So guys, because I'm excited, I did my homework. So Chicketty was coined after the small plates commonly found in Venice famed bakery, small local bars tucked away in the crevices of its notoriously narrow back alleys. It went on to inspire everything from the design to cooking philosophy and even birthing a whole new concept now called Bar Chicketty. Singapore's first pasta and wine bar, Chicketty, was founded in 2017.
Ay, is it video? Ay, is it video?
At tama na ang kalokohan. And here we go! Papasok na nga tayo, guys, para makita nyo naman yung loob. Titingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob nito, guys.
Dinner time!
O, diba? So, dinner nga pala to guys ng sales and marketing ng boss namin. Diba? So, nandito na nga tayo sa loob. O, diba? Ang sosyal! O, diba? Napaka, ano niya, napaka, pag madilim, di welcoming, diba? Charot. By the way, guys, tatlo pala tong branch nila. So, yung isa sa Kandahar Street, Jiak Chuan Road naman kami, and then the other one is in the Beach Road. So itong area na to guys, marami ditong bar, pero ito pa lang yung napuntahan ko. Meron siyang Thevar, Wine and Chef, Mio Fine Foods, meron din ditong, nandito rin yung Esquina, nandito yung Tantric Bar, and May Wong Cafe. Basta marami siya dito, guys. So, itutour ko kayo ng pasikreto. Kasi sasabihin na naman ng boss ko. Diba? So, ganyan, guys. Ito yung itsura niya sa loob. And then, later, guys, pupunta tayo dun sa gitna. And then, yung mga side noon, nandun yung mga wine. Siyempre, yung kending. Oh, ang daming wine dyan. Merong mahaba, mid, short, ang dami, pili ka lang. So, red wine first while waiting for our orders. And there it comes! Buratina.
How to make it nicely?
Hello, coach.
Okay lang pero mas gabi na eh. Ha? Gabi na naman din. Nag-gym ka? Kasi di ba may hey, that's the brand. And that's the place. So you're saying like, you're in good hands.
Brand nga, no?
And this is super yummy. Pillowy soft, fluffy eggnog tiramisu. Parang may alam ako dyan na gustong-gusto ang tiramisu.
Ating kapatid. Okay.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Okay. Sabay-sabay na, Mrs. Okay.
Hi, Judah. This is your... I will.
Harap. Yeah.
Guys. Guys. Ay, di ba kita?
Ako mo, coach.
So, bago naman tayo mag-end, iikutin ko kayo dito sa mga wines. O, di ba, nandiyan lang sa gilid. My God, guys, ano yan? As in, puno, as in bago siya. Hindi siya yung empty bottle. Diyan lang kukuha or talagang dinidisplay. Guys, mamimili kayo kung alin yung gusto nyong wine dyan. O, di ba? Dahan-dahanin natin para ma-feel nyo naman. Lalo na yung mga mahihilig sa wine dyan. Diba? Ang dami pa. Ang dami ba? So, yan lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel for you to be updated on my channel's activities. God bless! And this is the new face, guys. Naka-red na siya ngayon. 2024, naka-red na siya, guys. So, diba? Iba naman yung ambience. Pero maganda pa rin. Maganda din naman kahit yung dark.